Pro. Like, there are certain kinds of people who wear their mask like this. Like, they keep their nose area open and just cover their mouth with it. So when they are at it, I would like to tell those people, भाई कर क्या रहे हो? Hello everyone, this is Ankit Kumar Singh, your fellow enlightener. To those who are watching this on Instagram, I have a YouTube channel named The Enlighteners, and that is the reason why I have used the notion your fellow enlighteners. If you're free, then you should check it out sometimes. The link is in my bio. Now coming back to this video has been named how to properly use a mask. Then we'll be talking about that. We all know since the start of this pandemic, two things have been added to our daily essentials: hand sanitizer and a mask. So, an added essential is an added responsibility. When we use this mask, we are not caring about what is going to happen now, but in long term effect, this is going to pollute most of the parts of our water, land mass, and it is going to aid in global warming. So it becomes our responsibility to use it properly, as most of the masks are not biodegradable and it can harm the environment severely. So coming back to the mask part, there are a lot of masks available. For example, surgical masks like these, or the famous one N95 mask. This one is with filter, but a variant without filter comes. Another masks which are available in market are like this cloth mask and cotton mask. They also have a lot of variety among them. So these masks are available for cheaper rates. So if you take my opinion, I would ask you to go with cotton mask or like normal clothed mask which are available in market for 20 to 30 rupees. The reason behind this is to protect yourself. The moisture content in the air should stay away from your nose, and most of the government operatives have already said that even an handkerchief will work. So in that case, you can just take this mask. It won't cost you much, like 20 to 30 rupees. You can use it for 2 months, because one mask should be usable enough for 30 washes. So you can use it for 2 months if you wash it every 2 days, or for a month if you wash it every day. Thus you can utilize a 30 rupees mask for a month, and while you are at it, you are not only gonna support people who are making it, but you will be also supporting the Indian economy, because the money comes to the people who are actually making it, not the branded items. On the other hand, the mask with the filter, I had heard a news about these, like these are not useful. So I would not really recommend to wear a mask with filter. I would actually recommend a clothed mask or cotton mask, which can be used, as I said, 30 rupees one. The another part of this video is how to wear a mask properly. So in this case, I will show you how to wear a mask properly. All you should do is hold it with your hands on the rubber side and wear it like this. Okay, there's nothing much to do. You just need to wear it like this. Now in this case, you need to make sure of certain things. When you are eating or doing anything else, it is better to just remove the mask completely rather than wearing it like this and talking with someone else. Because in this case, when you are doing it, if you have gone to a corona infected area, then what happens is this throat area of your body already comes in contact with coronavirus. Now if that is the case, if you put your mask down like this and wear it once again, then the virus content will already reach your nose. On the other hand, when you are wearing a mask, you should not touch this region. Actually, when you are touching this region, maybe if you have gone to corona infected area and maybe virus at this region of your mask has come in contact with virus, then what will happen is when you touch it, the virus will come in contact with your hands, and then later on, maybe if you don't sanitize it properly, it will get inside your body and you'll get infected by corona. So you should take care of these things. The last thing is what memers would call Legend Ultra Max Pro. Like, there are certain kinds of people who wear their mask like this. Like, they keep their nose area open and just cover their mouth with it. So when they are at it, I would like to tell those people, bhai kar kya rahe ho? Like, what are you trying to do? What are you actually doing? Haven't you studied basic science? Like, this is how respiratory system works. You breathe through nose, not through your mouth. You breathe through nose, not through your mouth. So in this case, when you leave your nose area open, the virus will come in, you will already get contaminated, then there won't be any use of wearing a mask. So better don't wear a mask like this. Just don't waste the mask like this. although it might sound too rude, but still, I request you to wear masks properly. And I hope every one of you who are watching this are fine. Not only who are watching this, but everybody in this world, people you know, are fine. And we all will get through this pandemic together. And thank you for watching this video.